Hi guys, we're back again today.
Yeah,
with
and-
a few more tips.
There's a twist because we have been giving them very nice sweets, and trust me,
Yeah.
I'm a little evil. So we are gonna be a little evil and we are going to give you tips about how to ruin your furniture,
Yes.
how to ruin your interiors.
Right.
Alright? So the first
So the
tip
first
would be
tip is, if you have a very cute glass jar, which is pretty old, like you don't feel like throwing it away to buy a new one, I tell you what to do with it. Put some bleach inside the glass jar and store it for a while. Over a period of time, you have these chemical reactions and it just breaks. So you don't have to blame yourself for breaking the glass jar, but it's broken. So you can buy a new piece of furniture and put it in there.
tip 2. If you forgot to put a coaster and you have those water
Water
rings
rings, yeah.
on a very nice wooden table, then what you can do is take some vinegar with olive oil and rub it on that. And you know what? There'll be a very nice patch of that.
The polish
goes
away.
away.
So there's not going to be any
Yeah.
polish in that area.
There's
so there will
no
be a
color.
patch.
There'll be like a patch. And go ahead, clean your furniture with vinegar.
Yeah, so
and-
this is how you can ruin your furniture. If you again have nice glass wine glasses,
glasses, yeah.
and you really desperately want to break them, put some rubber bands on the stem of it and put it in a dishwasher. Yeah, I'm sure most of you would have been using this as a tip to secure them, but guys, it does not secure them.
Yes.
Yeah, the rubber band snaps when the dishwasher starts rotating, and it initiates the crack in your wine glass, and it's broken.
So
Buy
if
a new
you
one.
wanna keep breaking glasses, keep putting that rubber band. Do not forget to put that rubber band on the wine glasses.
On the stem of it.
On the stem of it. Next tip is people say that you can clean your furniture with freshly brewed tea, like in the tea bags. So how that works is, so last time I told you when you put vinegar, it actually leaves a patch. This time it won't leave a patch. So definitely you can use it.
Yes.
Because it will leave the color on your furniture. Whatever furniture you have, it will leave the tea color on the furniture.
So you know that
and it will
tea
be very
leaves
bad.
have a dyeing agent,
Yes.
right? So this dye, the stain of the dye is there on the furniture.
Yes.
So and it looks really bad. You want to spoil a furniture, please
Go ahead
clean
with
it
that.
with tea bags and it's gone.
Tip 5.
Yeah, so if you want to revitalize a leather furniture which is very soft, yeah, you can use white vinegar and some linseed oil.
Linseed oil.
Yeah, the softness will just go.
It will just go.
Yeah, it's no longer gonna be soft.
It's
Go
not
ahead.
very soft, plus it's gonna become so hard that it's gonna start chipping off. So go ahead with that.
Yeah, you can do that. So, guys, you can share with us your experience if you
If you have those rings on your furniture.
If you have done something like this, please do share your experience with us. Also, do not forget to attach a picture of one such method you have done. We would love to see it. Yeah.
Yes, and subscribe right there, comment
And
right here.
do like our videos,
Yes,
share
please.
them, and have a happy weekend.
Have a happy weekend. Bye bye.